Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 14th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, Aussie dollar, we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. We definitely did get a pretty big reaction out of this 61%. Definitely a very impulsive move down. Now, our structure that is going to tell us that this is really going down and like this is actually way down here. So this move down possibly could be a pullback to this. There's literally only two things that can happen now. It's either going to make a pullback to this and then continue up, or if this really is like the end of some sort of a correction, it's going to go down impulsively and give us a break of structure. So keeping that in mind, we can take it down to the 1-hour time frame. So we know for sure that this trend right here is over. But like I said, this could end up being a correction to that trend. So if we see something that looks like a three-wave pullback going right to a Fibonacci retracement level, then we definitely want to get long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if this maintains impulsive movement, making lower lows, lower highs, goes down and breaks this structure, that's what's going to tell us that this really is some kind of a top, like the end of a correction on the 4-hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.